Today is one of those days where dreams actually come true. It's a cool red fading in a dark grey black rear here. Looks quite cool, right? Three, two, one. Hello guys, I am back today welcoming you all inside of this. Today is one of those days where dreams actually come true. We are sitting behind the wheel of the AMG PureSpeed. I hope the audio is fine since I'm driving with a helmet, which I will be showing you in a few seconds. Since we have no windshield with this one, the second generation Mercedes AMG Speedster. Today we will be driving and experiencing this car, this highly limited Mercedes Mythos car, which I think they're building 250 pieces. The price is all the way up to 800, between 800 and €1,000,000. And I think they are already sold out. Anyways, we will be driving it. Before we start with the drive, let me show you the car from the outside. Let's go. So that's how the car looks from the outside. We have the Targa Florio livery here of the winner car from back in the days. It's based on the AMG SL63. It's got the same engine. I will be showing you the engine in a second. This is one of only two exterior options. It's a cool red fading in a dark grey black rear here. Looks quite cool, right? I will be doing a full walk around with this car as well. If you want to check it out, it's here in the info box above. This is the production car. I've showed you the prototype version of it, and this is the final production version. That's how the interior looks like, and that's how the front of this car looks like. Here you go. It's AMG 1 and Formula 1 inspired. That's why we have the halo here on top. We are right now in Italy and we will be driving it. Before I start the drive, let me open up the bonnet and show you the engine. 3, 2, 1. Unveiling the 4-liter V8 twin turbo by AMG, producing 585 horsepower. Is exactly the same engine performance spec as the SL63 that's actually based on. You can actually see how they worked on the front here. We have an extended front with the AMG 1 look here with the Mercedes-Benz star, quite cool. And the V8 is nice. AMG. Unfortunately, only 585 horsepower. I wish it had more. But yeah, we close the front and show you more of this. It's quite cool. Please excuse all the livery around because we are driving the iconic Mille Miglia in Italy. And that's the only actual possibility to drive and experience this car. And now that's what we're going to do. Quite a unique look with the carbon fiber. The wheels is all specially made for this car only. And the halo. Really cool. Let's jump inside and let's start today's drive inside the AMG PureSpeed. Let's go. So before we leave, let me also do a sound check for you. We are on a completely empty mountain roads here in Italy. The engine is already on, the set in Sport Plus. 3, 2, 1, listen to this. Quite nice sound. We have a rev limiter at around about 4,000 RPM. But the sound, we have got a lot of pops and bangs here. Let me also show you from the outside. Nice sound. How do you guys like the sound? Rate it from 1 to 10 in the comment section below. So now let's jump right inside the AMG PureSpeed here. I'm so excited to share my first ever drive with you. Seatbelt is on, putting the car in the drive. So we will be starting today's drive inside the AMG PureSpeed. I hope the audio is fine with the wind noises. We are right away starting in Sport Plus here. And it's just pure power, pure performance, and pure speed. And I guess that's why they called it this way. I mean, PureSpeed is a nice name. Just called AMG PureSpeed. That's it. It's quite cool. Driving the mountain roads here in Italy. When you buy this car, you get a helmet that looks like this, and you get two of them. Both of them will be connected to each other, so you can communicate. There's an intercom built in already, so you can have a great drive with your wife or with your friends. I don't think that most of the people will be racing or driving this fast. This is more of like a cool car to own, and will be mainly used in the cities, because to be honest, driving this long distance is not that fun. It's quite cool driving it through mountain roads like these. Sound wise, it's comparable to what we know from the AMG SL63. And whenever you accelerate, it actually boosts you on the seat. Is just full of emotions. This thing is crazy. I mean, when you compare it with the SLR Sterling Moss. Wait, before we continue, let's do a launch control here. Are you guys ready? Race start. 3, 2, 1. This is insane. Sound wise, performance wise, it's great. It's an all-wheel drive. In terms of drivability, it's just so cool. Lovely. Driving inside the city center here. This car is a showstopper, I'm telling you. So cool. If we drive this on the German Autobahn, all you will be hearing is wind noises, to be honest. But this is the only way you can actually enjoy this drive. I hope the camera is not too shaky. I'm really sorry. I didn't bring a gimbal or something. We're literally just holding onto it. Right now we are driving on the Italian Autobahn. I'm just trying to capture a bit of the experience. That's how the car looks like when driving in the tunnel. It's quite interesting, right? It's so pure. It's like driving a motorcycle but with 4 wheels. So crazy.